UXIFIER channel. So in this video you might be seeing my face a little brighter because I'm just using my what is that reading lamp to my face, so you can see more light. So yes, this is an introduction video. It is about UXIFIER channel. So the most important thing that I'm going to share with you guys is today in this introduction video is how can UXIFIER channel is useful to me. The first question, yes, I mean I asked a few people like to subscribe me, but they're asking what should I do, man, with your UXIFIER channel. I mean I don't see any useful information from me. So yes, to answer that question, yes, definitely I'm going to give you more information about this channel so that you will understand what exactly I'm going to put in this channel. So literally I'm going to put everything in this channel. So UXIFIER, the brand is just you know, I've just given myself. So you can the main intention behind is user experience fire, something like, you know, maybe. So that the main focus of this YouTube channel, the UXIFIER, is just to simplify things. Like, let's say if you feel really harder to do something, I'm going to make it simple for you. So I'm there to make it simple for you. So this intention of the channel is this is main intention of this channel. So let's say you are struggling with understanding what is WordPress. So you don't know anything about it. So yes, I'm there to give you introduction about the WordPress, how to start with it, how to start learning it. So similar to that, let's say if you are a manager and working in a certain company. So maybe you're a technical manager which you don't know anything about technical, but somewhat you might be knowing a little bit, but not an expert. But sometimes your resources might fool you, or your resources might overload you. So with the more technical information. So to avoid those consequences, you might need UXIFIER channel. So you can simply ask what team you are leading and what type of technology they are into. So maybe I can go through all those you know, all those technologies just by giving you introduction what exactly is the technology and how they are going to use that technology to build an application. So in certain medium level application, how long it will take, and approximately, it's not like exactly, you cannot simply push them these dates to your resources, of course, but you will just get an idea what exactly is happening and how they are going to do. So yes, in that way it will help. If you are a design manager, yes, definitely you need to know a few things which you need to understand. What is visual documentation, what is checklist documentation, what is testing, usability testing, what is design, what are the colors, implementation, everything you should know. So yes, not technically, yes, of course verbally. So yes, I'm going to do videos for that too. I'll try my best. I'm not saying that I'm a design expert or something. Yes, of course I do design. I have around 7.5 years of experience in design and development in web technologies. I'm expertise in designing tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, and of course a little bit you know, modifying the video editing softwares like Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro. And other than that, I'm very good at HTML, CSS, and of course HTML5 and CSS3, JavaScript, and I'm okay with the jQuery. I can handle AngularJS, and I can learn any new technology in a quick time of period, but I'm not into completely technology anyway. So my intention is my aim is to go through user experience and the training to build high quality video training tutorials and provide you that good resources to learn. So my intention is that. So if you are a manager, you can simply subscribe me and you can ask any video you want, and of course I'll be creating a different playlist. Like if you see here, I have created one specific category for my website. So if you go there, you can see how to register in my website and how to add your questions and how to answer another questions and everything. YouTube features, I mean I was just uploading a video, so I thought of creating that video itself. So I've created how to upload a video, and this is the screen recorder which I'm using. This is a beautiful and very cheap and very nice. It's my screen is not at all dragging or something, or my CPU performance is not slow. This is really beautiful. I've just created one category for that. So like this, I'm going to create more than 100 categories in different technologies. I'm going to talk about the content management systems. I'm going to talk about the learning management systems. I'm going to talk about the authoring tools. Yes, do I know all these things? Yes, I do know all these things. I have worked on all these technologies. And yes, of course, I have a pretty much very quite number of websites I have installed, and I've worked with, I've tested different content management systems, learning management systems, and also I've worked with some blogs, forums. So I'm going to talk all about them, and also I'm going to talk about user experience. I'm going to talk about the entire life cycle of website design. I'm going to talk about love. I'm going to talk about sex, and I'm going to talk about life, which I don't know, but still I'm going to talk about. So I'm going to talk about everything. So how can it is useful for me. I mean, I don't know anything about computer. I just want to learn about how to use my Facebook account. Yes, George, you are welcome. I'm going to create a Facebook account videos, how to create a Facebook account, how to retrieve a password from Facebook account, how to create a Gmail account. So why we use all these accounts, how to create a YouTube account, how to create AdSense account. So I'm going to create each and every video. So if you subscribe and ask, so demand. So I'll keep on doing my videos, of course. Other than that, depends on the priority. So if someone asks me any question, I'll take that as a priority, and meanwhile otherwise I'll just work on my usual videos. So yes, what do I talk about? I'll talk about yes, my websites. I have plenty of websites. I'm going to talk about all those websites, and let me show you one thing, a quick website which I installed, an open source called eFront, a beautiful open source for learning management system. So of course everything is free, there is no fee. This is my my brand for the elearninghome.com. I think you are not seeing the URL. Of course, this is the URL if you want, elearninghome.com. I was so much exaggerated while launching this website. I thought of creating multiple number of training videos, tutorials, and put it as a course, and then act like a real-time learning portal. But I couldn't do it because I don't have a time to do that stuff. But I'll do it. But yeah, the site will be there. I'm just testing the features of the application. So like this, we do have learnmore.asia. I have one more website called learnmore.asia. So this is a Moodle, a free. This is also open source application for learning management systems. This is a beautiful and more effective than eFront, but it's been using by many organizations. So this is really beautiful application, Moodle. So why I'm showing these URLs to you, because I just want to prove myself that I know these technologies. Trust me guys, I just want to teach you as much as I know. So I'm requesting you to subscribe to my channel. So I'm trying to attract you to just showing you some of my works, some of my practices, so that you will understand that I'm capable of teaching, creating videos on these technologies. Yes, what else I'm going to talk about on UXIFIER? I'm going to talk about content management systems. Of course, the WordPress, which I told you already. I want to show you something which I'm running, one of the news portal. Yeah, all these websites. Currently I'm working with another organization, of course. These websites were made when I was working as a freelancer. I just started my own company. So I spent some money and lose money. Of course, I learned many things. That's a different perspective. But I don't want to lose all these websites, so I just kept it like that. So maybe I'll start it again when I'm back to my own setup and everything. So yeah, this is a news portal for my local district. So it's not a simple site. Don't think that this is just a simple site. It's a simple WordPress. I just use some template, of course. But this is a multi-site. Beautiful. What is multi-site? If you see here, I'm just clicking on info.manakernal.com. As you see here, you're seeing completely a different template. I mean, it's still not yet opened. It's opening. Come on, dude. You are 4 Mbps speed. Yeah. So this is uh, a beautiful template, of course, which I bought it. So I'm using the same WordPress installation, but this is a multi-site, so I'm using a different domain. info.manakarnool.com is a different domain, subdomain, but I'm using a single WordPress installation. Like this, I have a multiple number of installations. Like this, I have around 20 websites on this single website. So imagine, the WordPress really is beautiful for multi-site. Of course, Drupal is also good, but it's more into technical. It's really difficult to handle it, but this WordPress is really good. Also, you might be having a question, can I use multiple domains for the single WordPress account? Yes, definitely. You're most welcome to use. Let me show you one example. I have a juniorhosting.com. Let me show you one second. Yeah, I have pretty much a lot of number of domains. I was buying and selling domains at the time, but now I stopped, of course. I have to concentrate on my job. So yeah, juniorhosting.com, you might see this is a WordPress, and there is one more domain called ombeam.com. This is sharing the same WordPress installation, but it is completely different domain. So you can log in as a different, I can give you different credentials. This is really useful when it comes to, when you're trying to use, what is that, when you're trying to use a different kind of, let's say you have a different branches for in a different countries, you want to maintain different website, but at the same installation, yes, you're most welcome. You can use all this multi-site of WordPress. This is one example. Yes, I'm going to talk about Evident Solutions always, because this is one of my favorite site where I'm going to answer the questions, and because I'm going to ask stupid questions also. You might need to answer these questions. What else I'm going to talk about? I think that's it, guys. I mean, if you, I'll talk about anything if I know about it. If I don't know about it, I'll learn it and I'll talk about it. I'll try to make it simplifier. That's my UXIFIER channel intention. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, you can always comment to the channel or comment to the any video. I'll just follow you. If you think my videos are not unprofessional, please excuse me. I don't have much time to make it a neat video or something like that. So I'll just talk in a general way. Let's say you're considering me as your friend and just talking, just making a discussion. Thank you very much. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please visit again. Please do subscribe. Please do subscribe here. Thank you so much, guys. Goodbye.